Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Now in today's video we're going to be looking at one of the easiest and fastest way to make money online even if you're a complete beginner using the power of affiliate marketing. Now I want to believe that you know what affiliate marketing is. It's simply you picking up somebody's product or services and recommending it online, and each time somebody click on that link to go buy that product or service, you get what we call an affiliate commission, which is your part of the your cut of the money that the person paid. It's very simple, and it's I believe it's one of the easiest way for you to make money on the internet without actually committing your own money as an investment. All right, so if you're coming across my video for the very first time on the internet, please go ahead and subscribe right now. Don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you get notified every time I upload valuable content like this that help you to grow a real business on the internet and watch yourself make real money online. All right, so let's jump in straight to the video and take a look at this method. I believe even if you're a complete beginner, you can actually do this one to make your first $1,000 on the internet. So let's go on straight and take a look at this video.
All right, so let's look at how a complete beginner could make $1,000 online as a complete beginner. All right, now one of the criteria to making money online, or there are two criteria to making money online. One is you must have something to sell, and secondly, is either you have a service that somebody is ready to buy. All right, you're ready to sell and somebody is ready to buy. Okay, these are the two criteria to making money online. Okay, and one of the easiest way to come on board as somebody who has something to sell is to come in as an affiliate marketer. Okay, now an affiliate marketer promotes other people's product and services, and each time a customer follows the affiliate link to go and buy, he makes what we call affiliate commission, which is a cut of how much the customer paid. All right, a certain percentage of how much the customer paid. All right, so let's get on this video. Let's look at this beginner, okay, who is using affiliate marketing as a business model to make his first $1,000 online. So I'm going to be introducing this particular website called Online Business Academy. All right, this is a platform created by Dave Nick, and Dave Nick is a top-notch internet business person and also a YouTuber whose audience is very large. So on this platform, Dave Nick created courses on this platform, online business courses, that is going to teach anybody how to actually build real business on the internet, either using YouTube or any other business formula on the internet. All right, so what I'm going to do is come on this platform and sign up as an affiliate marketer. All right, when you sign up as an affiliate marketer, you're going to be promoting courses on this platform, on online business courses on this platform. And I want to assure you that a lot of folks are ready for courses like this because of the time we are living in. Everybody's looking at opportunities, how to make extra income, maybe through the internet or some other ways. But a lot of people are looking up to the internet, are looking forward to the internet to actually make money, because it affords you the time, all right, to not to put all your time, to put a little of your time and watch yourself make money aside from your real business. So you're going to come down this website and sign up as an affiliate. Now signing up as an affiliate on this website has a low entry barrier. Okay, this is the affiliate program. You're going to come here, sign up as an affiliate, and if you sign up as an affiliate, which anybody is accepted, okay, the entry barrier is very low. So you're going to have link to courses that you can promote, and each time you sell these courses, which goes for about $300, $700, you get 20% of this affiliate commission. And beside your affiliate link to courses, you also have promotional materials. There are promotional materials that you can use to promote your offers. Okay, now how do you actually promote these offers? One of the best way to promote this offer is to go to YouTube when you go to YouTube and you make simple search like how to make money online, okay, you're going to have a lot of videos. A lot of videos are going to come up on how to make money online. And what you have to do is click on these videos, go to the comment section of these videos, all right, and leave a comment and do a good write-up pointing to online business courses, how to online business courses from this Online Business Academy. All right, do a good write-up telling people that there is a course, that you have a course that can teach them how to really make money online. All right, and you're going to be leaving your affiliate link, but I won't encourage you to leave your affiliate link ordinarily on the comment section. Okay, now I encourage you to go to GetResponse. All right, GetResponse is simply an email marketing tool. All right, go to GetResponse and create a landing page. Now, if you don't know how to create a landing page, please go to YouTube and learn how to create a landing page using GetResponse. It's very, very easy. Okay, now one of the best way that I'm going to learn a lot online is through YouTube. Practically everything that you want to do today is on YouTube. You can learn on YouTube how to practically do anything online. Okay, I'm going to be leaving the link to this GetResponse platform below this video, so you can use that link to sign up to GetResponse. And one beautiful thing about GetResponse is that GetResponse has a free plan that anybody who doesn't really have a budget could use. It allows you to create landing pages, autoresponders, and a whole lot more. Okay, so you can come down here, create a landing page, and go back to now within your landing page. Okay, you leave your affiliate link, leave the link to the course that you're promoting. Okay, put your link on your landing page, and then take the link of your landing page and go to YouTube, where you're going to be writing some comments and offering people these courses, and leave the link of your landing page. Now, the reason for using landing page is that it helps you to establish a relationship with the customer or with your visitor. It is on record that people doesn't buy the first time that you show them. Okay, but with email marketing or having their email, you can along the line nudge them, encourage them to buy later on, and they're definitely going to respond. Okay, so you come down here, build your landing page, go to YouTube, learn how to build landing page, and then go and insert the link to your landing page on comments within videos. Okay, it's very, very easy to do. Okay, so when somebody clicks on the link to your landing page, it's going to land on your landing page, and then have your pre-sale copy, and then click on the link to this course and go and buy. Okay, so very, very easy. Now, the second formula you can use is to go to Canva, all right, and search for promo templates. Now, promo templates, if you look at here, promo templates, there are several promo templates here. Simply, I won't fail to talk about Canva. Now, Canva is one of the most popular design website out there, graphic website that anybody can use to create graphics. All right, they got thousands of templates for Facebook posts, Instagram, Pinterest, any social media. Canva has templates for their posts. All right, so you search for promo templates. Okay, come to promo templates and create promos. If you're going to be posting on Facebook, for example, you search for Facebook promo templates and customize any of these templates to be consistent with the course you are promoting. All right, I would advise you to take a cue from the materials you're going to get here. Take a cue from the materials. Make your promotional template to be consistent with the material, as in your write-up should be consistent. Now, if you look at here, people are promoting you look at what people are promoting here. Okay, you can see that like this template now is promoting ice cream, this one is promoting pet care. If you go down, you're going to see people promoting, you're going to see templates on course promotion, how to promote courses and all that, or dresses and all that. Okay, so what you do is come here, you out of this, you customize any of these templates and go and post on your Facebook or your Instagram or your Snapchat, whatever platform you like. You go and post here. Okay, for example, this is my Facebook. Now on my Facebook, I promote my my YouTube videos, I promote courses, I promote everything that is consistent with my digital marketing stuff. All right, and when you post here, make sure you leave the link to the course, leave the link to your landing page up here, whereas your this is where you the promo template you customize is going to be, and then leave the link to your landing page, which of course lead to the course that you are promoting. All right, so it's very, very easy to do. I don't care if you're a beginner or this is your first time, you can actually do this and make your money online. All right, this is a smart money tactic. All right, and you can actually, anybody can actually do this and make money, make his first $1,000 online. All right, so if you got value from this video, please leave me a like and leave me a comment. If you have questions, if you have anything you want to talk about, you can put them down on the comment section, and I'm going to be there to respond, to talk with you. Okay, so I believe that you got what I'm trying to pass to you through this video. Okay, so go and put what you just got from me now to practice and see how it goes. All right, so thank you for being with me till the end of this video. God bless you. I look forward to seeing you in my next video.